Matt Tebbutt, 48, has presented on BBC's Saturday Kitchen since James Martin's departure in 2016. Having filled in for James on the show a few times, Matt knew what he was in for. Matt has now spoken exclusively to Express.co.uk about the pair's different personalities, and he felt filling such big shoes. James presented the cookery series Saturday Kitchen from 2006 until 2016, before leaving the BBC. He now works for ITV and has presented Saturday Morning with James Martin since 2017. Matt took over from James in 2016 and has spoken exclusively to Express.co.uk about how he felt filling such big shoes. He said, "Luckily, I had covered for James quite a few times, so I already knew the ropes and how things worked behind the scenes. The entire team at the show are so friendly and very supportive of me. James and I are quite different personalities, so I just hoped I could put my own stamp on the show, do it in my own way and add my own personality." He continued, "I hope I've achieved that, and viewers are still happy." Matt knew the loyal following James had on the show and has spoken about how he feels in the role 5 years in. He continued, "James had a very loyal following, so I've been really pleased that so many viewers have stuck with me. I pitch up every week and usually forget I'm on live TV. We have so much fun making Saturday Kitchen, it doesn't really feel like work." James has spoken recently about his departure from Saturday Kitchen, admitting he never realized the impact he had. Speaking on the Talkshow podcast, James confessed, "It just didn't really hit me until I left Saturday Kitchen, which is 5 years ago now. I didn't realize how big a deal it was, and I genuinely mean that. I remember saying to Chris Evans before I announced the fact that I was leaving and he spat his drink out, he couldn't believe it. I didn't do it for any other reason. I just wanted a different challenge and bits and pieces," he told listeners. Apart from Saturday Kitchen, Matt has hosted Channel 4's Food Unwrapped and ITV's Save Money, Good Food alongside GMB's Susanna Reid. Although he is now a recognizable TV chef, Matt wasn't always on the path to a career in cooking. He actually took a degree in geography and anthropology from Oxford Brookes University after leaving school. From there, he went on to study at the illustrious Leith's School of Food and Wine, gaining a diploma in food as a result. Matt was first seen on screens in October 2009 presenting Saturday Kitchen on BBC One, and until his permanent placement announcement, he was a regular guest host. The Saturday Kitchen host has been married to his wife Lisa for over 20 years and they share 2 children, Henry and Jessie.